So guys, this is our new video. In this, इधर से पापा, इधर से. See, so nice fish, and their home is so beautiful. After this zone, we are here for some shopping, but it is here only as. But we are in the aquarium. See, we are out of the aquarium. नहीं एग्जिट नहीं, वो देखो शार्क एंड रे जोन में तो जान. शार्क एंड रे जोन. Now we have to go to the shark and ray zone. Look, this is the shark and ray zone. Wow, such a huge fish.
So here guys, this is another tunnel. The name of the tunnel is Shark and Ray Zone. Mr. Saurabh Pratap Singh is the cameraman, and you are seeing Mr. Vijay here.
Here.
This tunnel has got lot of varieties of fish, like you can see.
You can see big here. Fishes.
Leopard shark. Mr. Saur, cameraman, can you please point your camera to the leopard shark?
Leopard shark?
No, it's not visible here. But anyway,
but
come forward.
See that.
Yes, yes.
One man is diving in the.
Yes, yes. The guy is diving inside. I think it's time to feed, and he's cleaning the tank. See, he's cleaning the tunnel. Yes.
See.
This is the regular part.
That.
They are removing the dust and dirt from the tunnel so that we can.
They can breathe.
We can see through clearly.
But let's continue our video.
Yes.
See.
So
nice,
see,
nice.
You are seeing another variety.
This is the leopard fish.
Yes. Correct. That's the leopard fish. There are two.
There are two.
Which fish is this?
I don't know, but it is not.
Wow.
Wow, what a big fish.
Yes.
I thought I had a fish in my home.
See, this is another fish here. Blotched stingray.
Yeah.
And
potato cord. And this is a potato cord.
There, see.
You can see a potato cord here.
Yes.
I like potatoes.
Let's move forward.
This is like a submarine. Wow, nice AC. So nice. But where is
again leopard shark?
Yeah.
You can spot it here.
There are many leopard sharks. But I can't see. Wow.
Shark.
Huh?
Now we are exchanging now.
And this is how so fat fish. So fat fish. Wow, what a flock of fishes. See, that looking like a submarine.
Yes, I think they have given a nice structure inside so that
people can see.
Yeah, people can see, and they have given really a sea feeling to all the fishes.
Yeah, see a fat fish.
So that they should not miss their home. So Mr. Shaurya is here, and he is our anchor today.
Shark and ray zone. Feeding time.
Yes. What's the feeding time, Mr. Shaurya?
11, but
yeah, I think black blotched stingray. Where is black block stingray?
That is.
Can you spot it there?
That is good.
See.
See the two astronauts.
See, they are cleaning. Huh? They are cleaning the tunnel. Huh? Look at the another variety of fish.
Yeah, so nice. And this is wow. like. Yeah.
So Shaurya, how did you like this
See a
place?
shark.
Yes,
They
it's
have
a big
blocked it.
shark.
The shark can't.
See, this fish is going, passing from my head. See? Wow,
This is lazy.
amazing, amazing. What a nice feeling.
Wow. This is.
A great feeling. See,
This is.
you can spot a
No, drink
medium-sized
water.
shark here.
It's a baby.
Drink water. See, no, drink water.
He's lazy.
No, no, see, drink water. See,
Shark is drinking water, and I think
see.
they are feeding something to shark. Looks like from that side.
Yeah. Yeah, this is blocked so the shark can't eat it. No, he's wiping it. Let's go. This is finished and
Now we are entering to another zone.
but we
And
don't,
what's the name of this zone?
we don't know. But see.
You
how
can
good.
spot a good varieties of
Wow.
fishes here.
Wow, see, a nail cut fish. It is. I have to change my shell to the bigger one.
Yeah, looks like they keep changing their shell
Yes.
after a period of time. Yeah,
Wow.
there's another
see.
variety.
Wow.
Pacific cleaner shrimp.
I thought it was a
So
grasshopper.
what it is?
This is a rock crab. Snowflake.
Snowwake moray.
Wow.
See, which face?
Wow, nice. Now we have come to here and wow, see the variety. But we are going here. Nice game there.
Moray field. You can see the moray field here. I think it's a long fish and
Wow,
looks like,
like a-
yeah. Is it sleeping? No, no, no. It's moving.
It
So
looks
you
like
can-
a snake.
Yeah, moray field.
Feel no.
The name, yeah,
It's
moray
feel.
field.
This is
This is called, let's spot the name. Common name, long spined sea urchin.
wow. Nice fish.
Yes.
I like it. Now we are
Now,
going to the
this is
side.
another zone, Giant of Siam zone. Now we are entering in this zone
Wow, nice one.
and see again a good varieties. Wow, it looks like crocodile. Shaurya.
Where? Wow.
What's
It
the
looks
name
like
of
a
this?
Card. See. Looks like a card.
Arapaima. Arapaima.
Arapaima. See this treasure chest. They have put a treasure chest here. See, a treasure chest.
Don't touch. Sure, don't touch.
Okay, the name of this one is spotted alligator gar.
Wow.
See,
nice.
spotted alligator. You can see. You
Now we
can
are.
you can see it closely. Wow,
What is this? A shark.
it really looks like an alligator.
Spotted alligator. Wow. What is that inside this house?
That one is also a spotted alligator.
But how it get it inside? Wow.
Wow, spotted alligator.
We should not.
See, it is moving.
Wow. How big
Wow.
it is. So giant.
Very big, very big.
Wow. Spotted alligator. Let's see from
Yeah, they are moving in a group.
Wow, see this, ready. Shark. Giant.
Giant Apsium zone. So, what's the name of this? It's the
Giant
same.
carp.
It's the same. Spotted alligator.
It's not an alligator.
Yes, it's a spotted alligator. This one also. Spotted alligator.
Wow,
It's moving from our head.
Here is a feeding show area. Oh, nice. Jellyfish world. No. Let's see more of this. This is the jellyfish world. Let's see. We are to the wow, so big.
What is the name of this? Black ear catfish. Oh, catfish. Black ear catfish. Very big
I
fish.
like catfish. We are in the jellyfish world. Guys, so we are in the jellyfish world.
So let's enter in this zone, jellyfish world. And looks like we can't make any video here because it's too dark here.
But we
So
can
we need
mix.
to close our camera